So I tried this trick with one of my YouTube accounts and it worked like magic, okay? I had lots of views, lots of subscribers. On one video, I could get about 500 plus subscribers, and this is so exciting. So I thought of sharing this with you, okay? Especially with those struggling with subscribers. I posted this video recently and look at the views and the subscribers I had from 27 increased to 92 and increased to 405, and it's still increasing, okay? Look at the views I had, look at the subscribers I had. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So you're going to go to your YouTube, and at the search button you're going to type trending. Okay, just open your YouTube, go to the search button and type trending. So when you type trending, you're going to see a lot of videos, a lot of trending videos, and you're going to select the one that you think will excite people the more. Okay, so you see the views will be down there. The views will be down there, so you see the views and select the one you want. So you see the views: 11 million, 74 million views, 48, 53 million views. So select the one that you think people will be moved to watch. Okay, so let's choose this. You click on the share button and you copy the link. When you copy the link, go to your WhatsApp and then paste the link to your WhatsApp account. Send it to anybody, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother. Just copy the link and paste it. When you paste the link, make sure the picture or the video on the picture on the video appears. Okay. When it comes like this, then you send to your family member. When you do this, you screen record. Okay, make sure you have screen recorder on your phone. I use X recorder to record my screen. Okay, this is how the X recorder looks like. So when you click on the X recorder, when it starts recording, then you click on the video and start playing. Okay, don't click on the link, click on the video and start watching the video. So as you are watching the video, it's also recording. You understand? So when this is done, you go to CapCut and then you upload this video there. Okay, you are going to do some editing. So you have to take out the sound and some writings on it and cut some other places so that it will be you'll be free from copyright issues. Okay, so let's go. We are going to trim the end and then the beginning. Okay, you trim the end and beginning, you cut those places off, and then you'll be left with the video itself. In doing the, make sure you reduce the volume of the video to 0, okay, so that there will be no sound in the video. So the video will just be raw video without any sound. Then you can type and then paste it anywhere you want on the video. But first of all, zoom the video to fill up the whole space. Okay, you can zoom to fill up the whole space. You can leave small space and then type something there. Okay, you want to make this video different from the original, you understand? So you can type something something that will move people to watch. Okay, so let's type home alone with her, or what home alone looks like, or something. Okay, and then you position it where you want it to be, and then you zoom the video to cover the whole space. So keep watching, don't go anywhere, because I'm going to show you more things you can do after saving this video. Okay, so at this point we zoom the video to cover the space. Okay, we can leave just little black space on top so that the home alone with her will show. Either ways, you can change the color of the home alone with her so that it will be visible on the video. Okay, so anyhow you make it, that will suit you. All right, so this is how it looks. Keep adjusting till it fills the whole space, and when you're done, you see that it will look totally different from the original one. Okay, now that we are done, we export it to our phone. Okay, export it, and then you go to your YouTube and then click on shorts, click on and upload shorts. Okay, then at that site you do little editings and then you add your sound to it. You understand? When you click on plus, you go to shorts, click on the shorts you want to upload. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now you go to add sound. Okay, select the music you want. There are numerous music here. These are copyright free music. You can use them on your videos. Okay, so then you add your title and do all that. Anything you want to add, your hashtags and all of that, and you're good to go. So let's see how this is. Now sometimes you need to change your thumbnail. Okay, so you select to a place where people will be intrigued to watch. You understand? So something like this, people would like to watch. So you see the edit button on the video. That's where you click to choose where you want the thumbnail to be. You understand? Okay, so you type your title, hashtags and all of that. You put your video to public. You need to put in so much work if you really want results on your channel. Okay, so do not let anything be lazy for you to do. Okay, put in your work and you are going to see results. So you choose your audience, not made for kids. You put it on public, and then if you have any related video, you click on related video. Any videos you have, you click on that, so that when people watch that video and they want to watch more, when they see that related video down there, they can click on it, and that can even give you more watch hours on your page. You understand? Okay, so when you're done with this, you upload and voila, everything will be cool. All right, you will see you don't have to upload just one video a day. You can upload as much as 10 videos a day. So you need to have time for this. Okay, you're going to see results, trust me. I have tried this on my other channels and they all have views, they all have subscribers, high subscribers, and they have high views on those videos. Okay, so try this out and let me know how your experience was. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you see progress and you see results after watching this. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, okay, to encourage me to make more of such videos. All right, so this is the final video. This is how it looks on this channel. This is my other channel. This is how this looks there. All right.